I want to dominate that.
Hi everyone, my dad's back with another blob. This is what the boat looked like when he first bought it. Looked fine to me, just a bit dusty. That's his nickname, Dust. It took him 5 years to do that. This was his first attempt to make the roof. I don't think he's doing it right. Oh, yep. Now that the roof's done, let's make it go up and down now. Good idea, Dad. Oh my days. I just want it to be finished. I think it's gonna be done soon. Please like and subscribe so then I can get some more chicken nuggets. And Merry Donkey.
In this blob, I try to build the grey part, the underside of the roof, where the top window frame will key into. Pretty ashamed to show you guys this. So much for making the roof light. Anyway, this should work. It'll look cool at least. That's the important thing, lol. More dust. I'm just smoothing things off before I glass it. In the last video, I smoothed all the abrupt edges with bog to allow the fiberglass to lay over it nicely. Something I should have done straight away. If you're wondering why the top window frame is so wide, it's because the actuator posts have to pass through them. Okay, this time I've got it done. It's got basalt cloth on the top, but I've used the thin chop strand mat underneath because it went around the edges a lot nicer and around that bit especially. So now we wait. Fingers crossed the resin goes off, which I'm 99% sure it will because it is hot. This is the inside of the roof that you can see at the moment. And it's basalt cloth, that's why it's black. I'm gonna pull it apart from here and then it'll be all nice and smooth on the inside.
When are we going to do that?
Probably tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon.
Sounds quite satisfying going.
Inside looks cool. This top bit looks pretty crap. Let's see what it looks like. So I just knocked off all the sharp edges. For some reason, everywhere the basalt cloth ended, the frayed ends ended up lifting up a little bit and they're really sharp. But it's good now. Oh God, I hope this works. Look at how cool that looks. Oh, that came out easy. Now the hard part. I need to separate the old hoop from all the fiberglass that I put on it. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, second try. This one I'm more confident about. I've managed to wedge an angle in between the skin. Just wish me luck. No. I thought that would be good enough. So I've poured terps down the cracks of everything. I peeled the sticky tape back wherever I can, poured terps down that. This is the best idea I've come up with so far. I get this. I just bent up an angle and I put a thread in here for a batten screw. Wedge it into here. This ended up being perfect. Then I'll drop this in so the screw won't drill through the melamine or the crappy wood below. Oh. It's nice and loose now because I've done this a lot more times than what I've shown on video. Oh. I need a longer screw. We've got movement. Yeah, baby. That's good. I don't want to tell you how long that took. Oh yeah. I definitely think the terps helped. This is disgusting in here. It's all slimy and coming off real easy. Terps is my favourite. Madam, pass me the diamond. That diamond, madam. Give it to me. So now just the skin is left, which is nice and thin and easy to bend. I'm very confident this will come out easy, but one thing with me is nothing ever happens how I want it to. This skin is the one that's got the hoses attached to it. The Sikaflex hasn't gone off completely, which is very good. Makes it easy to go through. So now, as far as I know, I've separated the hose on the outside. I wonder what the point is of having a flat hose like this, other than to make seal recesses. Oh, it's stuck hard. Oh my god. Oh no. Well, I thought it would come off like a melamine, but it is definitely not doing that. Far out. Not sure if you can see that, but all this shit is stuck in the... But that's the gel coat that was meant to be stuck to this fiberglass biaxial or whatever it is. It wasn't meant to come off that bad, but that's okay, I'm used to that. Ooh, that was a good piece. It was a mission getting that out, and now it's a mission getting this out. This should have cracked out in one thing. It's coming out in pieces.
What came out good? What came out, hold on, what came out good? Start from the beginning. What
That
did you do?
came out.
Oh, it's up there.
That came
didn't
out,
see that.
and it was really hard to get out.
Yeah.
This other skin that I put over
Oh,
the
yeah.
top, it's got the hose and everything in it, was meant to come out easy,
But it's like cracking.
and it is not coming out good.
Do you want a hand?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go put my bag away. Did you want a beer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, bud. Oi! Don't show them that. That's for me.
Are you hungry first?
No, you gotta dig it in a bit more. Fat like
Can you at least rip it all out so we know what we're in for?
that. What?
Like get it all gone.
I'm trying. It is bloody hard. That was really hard to get that out. That took me like, I don't know, 30 or
What,
an hour
pulling these?
just to get that bit out. Welcome to my life, bud.
Mess.
Hey?
Mess.
I'm sorry.
Thanks for watching. To be continued.